It is said that if the winter feels too cold or the summer feels too hot, then you are not a real camper. And when it comes to being a natural camper, you have thought to level yourself up by going on a hammock camping trip during winter. Sounds thrilling, right? But what if you are a beginner? Then it would be best to survive if you know some effective winter hammock camping tips. To make your winter hammock camping comfier, we've come up with 12 amazing winter hammock camping tips and tricks. So without any further preface, let's check them out. To avoid emergency health conditions like hypothermia, you must have a clear forecast of your hammock camping destination. Make sure that you have done some research beforehand and list the necessary gear that you must carry with you. As per the expert's recommendation, hammock camping is safe unless it is below freezing temperature 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Before setting up your hammock, check the direction of wind flow. To get maximum relief from the cold wind, find natural shelters like large trees, hills, or rock formations. In addition, hang the hammock in the cluster of trees rather than hanging it in an open space. As a result, you can keep yourself safe from the coldest airflow. Setting up the hammock doesn't mean only tying it with trees. Instead, you have to consider some angles and height for a proper and comfortable swing. The distance between anchor points should be balanced. Otherwise, tightly stirred up hammocks may squeeze your shoulders and give unwanted pain. Hence, the ideal setup is tying the straps at 30 degrees angle, and the height of the low point should be kept 18 inches off the ground. Rigging a tarp above your hammock can save you from snow, rain, wind, and even dust. Besides, it also helps trap your body heat and keep you dry and warm. So in winter, especially during snowfall, a tarp is one of the crucial pieces of camping gear that you must carry. Maintaining the warmth of the head surface is as important as the body. To avoid the direct cold from the ground, you need to keep your head on a pillow. Plus, you may cover your pillow with an extra layer of nylon clothes if you want to trap more heat, because the additional layers will work as your pillow's warmth protector. You can also use a stuff shack to save your space as an alternate option. Nevertheless, carrying an insulated camping pillow is very important, as you have to trap the maximum body heat. In winter hammock camping, the only thing that you will hate the most is being cold while sleeping. So you'll have to prepare your hammock bed with an air-filled underquilt or sleeping pad that is compatible and comfortable. Moreover, you can also go for the pads specially made for the hammock. But whatever quilt or cushion you're using, make sure that the material is body heat reflective and keeps you warm for a longer period. The top quilt is as essential as the under the quilt while sleeping in a hammock. Moreover, top quilts are designed as sleeping bags with the bottom foot box to keep the heat in, so you can carry either a sleeping bag or a top quilt based on your availability. However, the top quilt has no zipper like sleeping bags, so it's up to you whether you want to go for the zipper or not. If the temperature is below freezing, neither underquilt nor top quilt will be good enough to keep yourself warm. Therefore, you need some extra layered clothes to ensure the maximum usage of your body heat. On the plus side, this will allow you to regulate your temperature when it gets too hot or cold. If you want to warm up your hammock quickly, then preheat it with a hot water bottle. So before entering your hammock, fill a bottle with boiled water and keep it near your feet. Thus, you can keep your body warm for the entire night. Make sure that you make yourself dry before getting into your hammock. Otherwise, it will be complicated to get warmed up with wet and cold clothes. Our suggestion is to change all the wet clothes and make yourself dry by sitting in front of the fire. As feet get cold quickly and take time to get warmed up, take off your wet socks, warm up your feet, and put on another pair of dry socks. To fight cold weather effectively, you need to be strong from the inside. It means you have to change your diet during winter hammock camping. A protein and fiber diet will keep you 10 times warmer than a regular diet. So keep red meat, nuts, oats in your lunch and dinner. Additionally, you can drink hot beverages like coffee, almond milk, or ginger tea for instant heat generation in the body. It would be pretty annoying and uncomfortable to climb out of the warm hammock only for peeing in the middle of the night. When you are stuck in a dilemma about whether you should go out or not, then a pee bottle can be the ultimate rescuer. So keep a portable urinal or simply a water bottle. In the case of a portable urinal, you will get options for both males and females. So these were the 12 amazing winter hammock camping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful.